Today we are going to update the firmware of your Netgear EX3700 using the Netgear support website. First, all you need to do is turn your Netgear Range Extender switch on. Go to your laptop or PC and visit my WiFi.X.net. Now log in using the username and password. In case if you forget your username or password, then please get in touch with our support team. They will help you out to solve the issue. Once you are logged in successfully, the extender will automatically check for a new firmware update available and then click on the firmware update link. Click yes to download and install the new firmware. Be patient as the process might take a couple of minutes depending on your network speed. Once finishes, the extender will reboot itself and all your devices will be disconnected. Connect your device and enjoy the extended network. Return to my Wi-Fi EXT website and log in to make sure everything is working fine. Before heading ahead into the video, in case you are facing any issue with your Netgear Range Extender device, get in touch with our Netgear experts. Thanks for watching our video, and do not forget to like, share, and comment on the video, so that you never miss any video from our channel.